How's it going, everybody? It's I, Alien Hijacker, and we're doing an unboxing video. Get a look at the figures, will ya? So, I got these figures at GameStop. They're like 30 bucks a piece. And I mainly got it for Scarecrow here. Looks at him. Yeah, I got it mainly for Scarecrow. But then it has this Build-A-Figure for Bane. So, we're gonna build that figure. It's gonna be great. Okay, now you can show me. Need a knife to unbox it. So I usually collect all these figures when I keep them in the package, but when it's a Build-A-Figure, I've never had a Build-A-Figure before, so I'm pretty excited. I originally was going to have a gaming video up that I've been working on, but I don't have time, and I'm going on a trip, so this is what you guys get instead. Oh, a stand. Oh, get a shot of that card. Oh, look at Scarecrow there. Holy shit. Now let's just try to get him out. Okay. Okay. Okay, come on, buddy. Oh, there we go. Holy moly. Look at that fucking tube. Oh man, those killer claws. Insane. Oh, look at his fucking face. Oh my god. How the fuck are you still alive, buddy? No wonder you're a monster. Okay, come on, Bane's body. What is this? Alright. Yeah. Oh, number 2. Wonder Woman. Now, I normally don't collect. I'm not a big Wonder Woman fan at all, but considering she has a fucking mohawk and she's like apocalyptic shit, like, yeah, I'll go for it. Ooh, that's flimsy. It's just, it's super flimsy. I thought it'd be a little sturdier. It's okay, I guess. Oh god, you got a cape? Is that Superman's cape? I mean, I want to say no, but
it looks like it, yeah.
I haven't seen the comic. Okay, let's get Bane's limbs first then. These are his arms, they look like, but no hands. Oh, hands are with Batman. Okay.
Okay, maybe scissors will work better. Oh gosh, okay.
Alright, I got another idea. Next one, yeah! That plan worked. Damn. Alright, there's Wonder Woman. Now, okay. Yeah, her sword goes in right there. Alright. Oh, that's sick. Ankle's a little twisted. Here you go.
Oh, hey, she could also hold the sword in that hand.
Yeah. Bam. Another shaved head. Look at that detail right there. It's not completely bald. This looks like fresh shaved. You can see where her crown lies too. Now, this Batman kind of looks stupid. I don't care for him. But as far as I know from the comics, this Batman goes off that one idea someone had, where it's like, what if Batman was already in an asylum? All the villains he fought were just doctors trying to help him out and shit. And that's basically what this is. It's this is Batman in a fucking straitjacket. The head of the Joker. Oh, sorry, Joker. Look at that. fucking severed head of the Joker. That's just badass. This looks like a police baton? Yeah, that's definitely what that is. This is more sturdy than Wonder Woman's shield.
Shield. Shield.
Sword.
There you go.
I don't like this. Okay, get a look at that. I want to get the rest of this. Back look at Batman. You're probably wondering who was that woman giggling in the video. That's Bailey.
Hi.
She's a friend of ours. Either this knife sucks or this plastic is strong.
I keep waiting for you to accidentally cut yourself.
Nah, not in this video.
Okay.
Oh, sick! He still got little things carved out of his straps. It's got a utility belt. And you come with Bane's tiny little head. How's it going, Betty? I'm not gonna play with these figures. Oh man. Oh. That's a lot of shit. Okay, you got it there. You got it there. There. Yes. That's how I wanted it. So Omega, from my understanding, is a future Batman. Like an evil future Batman. I didn't elaborate with Batman here already. So, from what I understand from the comics, Batman's in the insane asylum, and this whole time, he thought he was Batman, but he really wasn't. But then it goes back to saying, like, oh yeah, he's actually Batman, and I think he's under the control of a Scarecrow. That's as far as I know about the comics, so I don't know enough about it.
Yeah, Scarecrow, he has like this mind control that plays on your deepest fears, right?
Not mind control, he's got fear gas. It just makes you see your deepest fears and shit like that. But every Scarecrow's different. Like this fucker right here, I have not seen him at all, but I saw this at GameStop, and I mainly wanted to get these figures just for Scarecrow here, because I'm like, this is insane. But then I thought, what the hell is he going to sit on? And they got this see-through stand, of course, but then they got Bane, which he's supposed to sit on Bane's back. There's Omega right there. But if you go over here, see, you can see a Scarecrow just sitting on Bane's back right there. So I saw that card, I'm like, oh, do I need Bane in order to display my Scarecrow? So I thought, like, you know, this would be my first time assembling all the figures. And there's a flight. Oh,
Jesus.
Do your toes bend too? They do! Look at that. Look at the bottom of that. You can barely tell that would bend, but
that is so
bends.
cool.
The details of these. Oh, look at that little cape. God damn. Alrighty. Now for the best part. Bane. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's start with his little bitty head. You just snap on, you just barely sit on there. Oh, there's his head. It's so tiny. Okay, let's see here. This arm looks like this right arm right here. See what I'm trying to do? There's a little ball right here.
Yeah.
And there's an arm socket here. Maybe if I just... Do you move? Damn. It's hard.
That's what she said.
go in.
That's what she said.
Ah, there we go. Holy shit. There we go. Okay. Now. Oh, that was easy.
So just this giant ass dude holding his barely held together friend. Oh, here, buddy, let's go. Right?
Yeah. I'm just saying yeah because I didn't understand anything that you said, but yeah. What is this like? No, it's just like straps on this side. So, holy moly. What's that? You
I
lost
think...
an arm. Come on, Bane. Don't fall apart on me now. Yeah, I'm just gonna take your head off now. I should have done that last anyways. Holy moly. God damn. I don't know, that might be as good as I'm getting it. God. It's flimsy. Get in there. There. It's good enough. It's going on display anyways. Look at this big bulking bastard. Alright, did the jump cut already. It took for fucking ever. But check it out. Nice. I got the cards all laid out in front of them too. Alright. That was my unboxing video. Took for fucking ever. But love you guys. Have a good one. Stay fresh.